Hi, today is 26 January 2026 and happy Republic Day to everyone. And yes, I am Hashwati and currently I am a MA Development Studies student at IIT Guwahati, and this video is for making hostel tour. So yes, now I am outside my hostel and I am going to show my hostel right now. After that, okay, see this, let's go. So this is the entrance of the hostel and this is the security desk, and yes, this is the backyard of the hostel. Now you can see from here that it is written here Dhansiri Girls Hostel. And yeah, this is the backyard. Now we will go to the reception section. This is the parking. This is the parking area. Now we are going to the reception area. Literally it's the front area. Flag is hosted here for today, for the Republic Day, and this is the area for going to the terrace area. Okay, let's go. Come to see the terrace first. See the view. So this was the canteen, basically. Canteen and juice center. Everything was there. You can have any snacks and juice from there. Okay, so this is the mess area. What we can see from the top side. Okay, window. This is so fun here. And yeah, now we are going to inside. Okay. So now we will enter inside the hostel. So I didn't came from the main entrance gate, but took the terrace area and came inside the hostel. Okay, so see. This room. And see also this room. This is locked though. Sometimes it is opened, but not every time. This is the back side. Okay, back side in the sense this is the A block, right? This is the A block. Okay, this is the A block and this is the, I guess, B or C block. How do you know that which is A block and C block? You have to see by the room number. Like if it is started from A, then it's block A, and if it is started with the B or C, then it's block C or block B. Now we are going to the ground floor. Okay, see. This is the ground floor. Now also you can see this warden office, meeting room. Okay, this area is for Btech students right now. Loading area, and this is the outer ground. Like this is basically inside the hostel. This ground is basically inside the hostel. Okay, and we sometimes do some events here. All Btech students stay here, all the room. This is the toilet area in the ground floor. This is for water. Okay, this is another entrance, by the way. Okay, let's see. Okay, that was cleaning room, cleaning staff's room. This is another entrance. Like I didn't take this one for, the very first. Okay, now this is very near to the entrance. Like this is the entrance. We come from here and keep my cycles here and go to this entrance. And yes, stationery shop you can see from here. Now we will go to the entrance gate. Okay, this is the way of going to the entrance. This is the messing area. See, this is another entrance which will lead to the main entrance gate. Main entrance gate and reception basically. This is the vending machine service which stays open 24 hours. See, this is the dining hall where we have our breakfast, lunch and dinner. That is the kitchen area. Like kitchen area in the sense that corner is non-veg, this corner is veg. Okay, and yes, mess area is done. Now we'll go to see the entrance area from the outside. Okay, now see the entrance area from the outside here. Btech students stay in the ground floor. Canteen is the first floor. Oh, this is the library area. Okay. Gym and sports room. This is another toilet area, and that is the block B or C. I stay in block A of the second floor. Now let's see the second floor where I stay. And on the third floor, PhD scholars mostly stay there. Okay, we will see it later. See, from our floor, this is second floor. See, this is A block. This is block A. Okay, so this is my room. Is 40, and yes, now see my room. This is my room. Okay, so done with my room, and now I'm going to show one of my floors toilet. Here are so many toilets basically. This is one. Okay, this is hand wash area. This is the toilet area, and this is the space for taking shower. Space for taking shower. Like this line is for shower. This is for toilet. Now we will go to the third floor. This is the dance room, and this is the reading room. Okay, another block behind. Yeah. Okay, I came from the third floor to second floor, and this is our floor's toilet, another toilet. There is another two toilet is this side and one is here. Now that's the dustbin area, and this is the basin area. This is the geyser, washing machine. Net here attached with the this one grill because of the monkeys. Now it's winter, so no monkeys are coming usually very often, but yeah, when summer it is summer, then maximum time monkeys come here from this area, from IIT Guwahati hostels behind area, and from these trees. and they stay usually from here. All the child monkeys, parent monkeys, baby monkeys, all monkeys, they come with a gang, and if this is not here, then they will easily enter in the corridor. And yes, without even if we have this thing, still monkeys sometimes come to the corridor. Okay, don't know how. Maybe window of the ground area stay open, and they very intelligently and cleverly enter from that open area and run across the corridors. It was such a mess that time, but yeah, all over I like my hostel. Like, it is my roommate's plan to decorate with this aesthetic light and all. Oh, see, like you can have your things like this, internet connections, video. I'll end here. Yeah, like, bye.